Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you a transition that I have achieved through this shot into another shot, which is this car passing by. And we have done this using draw mask tool. Okay, so I'm just going to show this to you. We are just going to do a editing breakdown for this. I won't be showing this to you step by step, okay, because this might take long time if I start doing this step by step. Okay, so let's start. This is for beginners, not for advanced students, but if you guys want to watch it, you can. Okay, so let me start this, and I have this shot of the horse, okay, and I have his eye. Okay, so I'm going to use this eye basically to mask it out, and I'm going to invert the mask and the clip that I want, which is the top angle of the car passing by, which I'm going to place behind it. So basically we are going to make a hole inside this eye, okay, and we're going to do this using mask tool. So I'm just going to quickly move forward. Okay, so this is the first frame where the mask really starts appearing. Okay, and this is where I have added a cut point. I've added a cut over here. Okay, so as soon as we start the shot, we zoom into the eye and make sure where you want to start your transition. So my transition starts here. So like, this is exactly the first frame. You can see this is the first frame. This is my cut over here. Okay, so I have added a draw mask over here. I have already drawn it around it. Okay, and let's go to the inspector and I'll show you what keyframes I have added to. Okay, the first thing I have done is I've inverted the mask. If I don't invert it, so this is how it's going to look like, but this is not what we want. So we want to invert the mask of the horse shot. Then I have added keyframes to the feather. In the beginning, the feather looks like this. Okay, so this is my first frame of the keyframe where I have added. Okay, you can see that I have added keyframe to my scale. Then I've added keyframe to my transform. Okay, yeah, because if you see, the transform changes as we move in further into the shot. Yeah, so this is the change. This is the keyframe that I have added to the position in the transform, to the scale, to the control points, and then I have also added keyframes where the shot is increasing. Yeah, it's zooming in basically. Okay, uh, so let's go back to the first frame of this mask. Yeah, so there's not much to it. So basically I have just changed the transforms and the feather in the drawing mask. Okay, and it is done quite quickly so that the next shot is easily visible. Okay, so it's a pretty cool transition. You can use this if you're editing some music video. Okay, and this was achieved after a lot of trial and error, and this is something which I am also very new to. Yeah, and then I have added my zoom in effect to this next shot of car passing by, so you can see this zoom. So I've added a keyframe to my the shot which is below. Okay, I can show this to you, inspector. You can see the scale position rises as we go further, it decreases as we go backwards. Yeah, so I've added a keyframe right there. yeah, so that you get the effect of camera zooming in. And I've also added the blur, motion blur effect on the top of the transition, so that you get this swift motion effect on the top of the transition, and it hardly, you can feel the jerk. So basically it becomes more smooth and it's not jerky anymore. Yeah, so this is all I have to share, and I'm sorry that I can't do this step by step, maybe in some other time. I also have some issue with my screen recording, so I have to do this way. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and see you guys soon. Thank you.